Welcome to Kortney Meadow in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Here you can enjoy living in a charming town with rich local history. Hi, I'm Wei Ling with Ryan Homes. At Kortney Meadow, you'll find new single-family homes in a top-rated school district and a location close to the area's major roads and only 5 minutes to downtown.
Our floor plans offer incredible flexibility with designs featuring up to 7 bedrooms, available finished basements, and optional one-level living for ultimate convenience. Each home is thoughtfully crafted with luxury features including spacious 2- or 3-car garages, ensuring both style and functionality for modern living.
Kortney Meadow is located right off Route 30 and 34 and minutes to Route 15, so you can easily travel to Harrisburg, Frederick, or Baltimore. You'll love being only just 5 minutes from downtown Gettysburg. Plus, we're only 15 minutes to the Maryland line. Now let's explore the area and see what it's like to live in Gettysburg. Lincoln Square, nestled in the heart of downtown, is surrounded by historic buildings and serves as a central hub for the area and features a variety of boutiques and specialty shops such as Lark Gifts and Sweet for the nostalgic candy experience. Downtown Gettysburg offers plentiful dining options, including the pub and restaurant, the Upper Crust, and Hotel Gettysburg. From a leisurely lunch to a special dinner out, Hotel Gettysburg has the perfect dining experience for every occasion. Get the best cup of coffee from cozy cafes like President's Coffee Shop, Ragged Edge Coffee House, or your classic Starbucks. Enjoy a unique dining experience at Dobbin House Tavern, one of the oldest buildings in Gettysburg. It's a local landmark for fine dining and unique gifts. Enjoy year-round events and festivals, including July 4th celebrations, the National Apple Harvest Festival, and their iconic Christmas Festival. There's no shortage of historic sites to visit in Gettysburg. Gettysburg National Military Park is the most significant site. Take one of the many historic tours to explore the streets where the soldiers fought and civilians lived during the Battle of Gettysburg. Head over to the shops at Gettysburg, where you can find a plethora of your favorite designer stores and discover a collection of small businesses and boutiques. For everyday shopping, Kortney Meadow offers close conveniences to stores like Walmart, Giant, and Marshall's. Head over to Hanover, just 20 minutes away, where you can find Sam's Club, Target, Home Depot, and much more. So why Ryan Homes? As a top builder in the nation, we have been proudly welcoming families home for over 75 years. So what does it mean to you? Stability. We stand behind our homes while operating locally. Our home building experience is second to none, and that expertise goes into every home we build, including yours. Thanks for exploring Kortney Meadow with me today. Our new community will have access to all of this and more. Join our interest list to stay updated with the latest information about Kortney Meadow. We can't wait to meet you.